Kasi baka mayari pa tayo bigla eh. Um, Kaya sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman ako saan tayo ay maglalaro ng isang game na pinamagatan ng First of Atom Iron Bark Lookout. At nagtagal kong hindi nakapag-record at nakabalik sa game na to dahil na-burnout ako. Okay? So, simulan agad natin itong video na to. Let's go na. Okay, First of Atom, episode 4. Okay, Iron Bark Lookout. Yes! May 12. Oh, this happened on May 12. I wonder what year. Hey, I noticed you were requesting store submission while I was watching a YouTuber play Fears of Atom Carson House. What I'm about to recount had happened when I was 24 or so at the time. It feels kind of weird telling about this because of the bizarre and absurd nature of the whole thing, but I feel like doing so might help me process my memories of it. I knew that sharing the story anywhere else would be a dumb idea because people would say I was lying. As I'm writing this was the scariest experience of my life. I'm Jack Nelson. Had a small job as a park ranger in a state park. I was a far local station in one of the largest forests in the Pacific Northwest. Miles and miles of dense forest managed by the Forestry Service. I had a salary that allowed me to make ends meet, but I couldn't afford to treat myself to restaurant, nice clothes, etc. My biggest accomplishment so far was being able to buy an RV for myself with a lot of financial help from my dad. The RV was the only sense of home I had at the time. This one time I was transferred from one outpost to another because of some official circumstances. It was a minor inconvenience to me though, since I live out of my RV and like traveling. I said a few goodbyes and I was off to a new location. It was about a 2 hours drive. Okay. Uy! Nagdadrag tayo ulit, gagi! Yung the last time is nung no road hitchhike pa, grabe. So, is there something gonna happen along the way or anything else? Ganon? Parang may mangyayari pa ba? I don't know, pero dang, I love this kind of vibes. I live a very solitary life. Yeah, this just proves it. Okay, ganon na yun. It helps quiet my mind, keep the memories at the bay. Totoo? Patay natin music. Baka copyrighted eh. Mahirap na. Ingat-ingat lang tayo. Pag na-copyright, malaki na naman ang makakat sa video at ayoko na talaga ng ganon dahil nakakasira siya ng flow. Uy, kotse. Paano kaya mabangga ako dito? Buti hindi nanalo yung Intrusive Thoughts. I always loved the great outdoors. Very nice. Dahil maganda yan. Just being surrounded by nature gave me happiness. Well, opposite mo ako because I just love to stay in the house. I feel like I was at home in the woods. Oh, so you love forest, huh? Mayroon natin basahin yung mga text, bali from one person to another kung sakali magkakaroon tayo ng stopover. Pero sige, wala naman ang magagawa eh. Yun na yun. Uy, frame drop. Oh my gosh. Sige. Ganon na lang ba tayo? I saw the dinner Kyla was talking. Oh, so this is the... Nope. Wait lang. We can do some parking in the back. Like, yeah, power. This what? Uy! Ayos! Oh! Grabe ka. There you go. Who's this? Masarap ba yung koya? How's that burger? This little piece of heaven, this place is pretty much my weekend spot. Just new around here? I'm just passing through. Have a safe journey. Thank you po. Let's not give our detail na lang, okay? Kung sino tayo at kung saan tayo magtatrabaho at even ang destination natin. Kyla's Din. Oh, this one. Yes, sir. Hi, ma'am. Welcome to Twin River Diner. How are you doing today? I'm good. How about you? Feel free to take any seats you like and I'll be right with you. Alright? Okay. Kuya, please leave me alone. I think we can sit here. Diba? Good evening. I'm Babar. Are you ready to order? Yes po. So what can I get for you today? Cheeseburger with fries, I guess? Our burger is the best in the West. Would you like anything else to drink? Large Coke na lang po. Perfect. Anything else? That will be all. Thank you. Great. I'll bring the food as soon as done. Just let me know if you need anything. Sounds good. Yep, thank you. Grabe, ang labo. I've always had this habit of peeing before eating. Okay, alam na ang gagawin. Okay, alam nyo na. Andyan ni. Restroom? Very good. What? What the heck? Okay, ayun. There you go. Kala ko naglalag na ako eh. Kayla, I don't know. I'm skip. Kay Mitch muna tayo. I think this is our sir, ganon, or boss, manager, I guess. Congratulations on your transfer. Feeling ready for the change? Just reaching to you to tell you that you've been assigned to Tower 11. Welcome on board. This is Mitch, by the way, from Ironbark. Thank you. Heard a lot about you from Josh. Very excited to meet you soon. Just got my ID today. Your shift starts on 12. Okay, so May 12 to. Sounds good. I'll be there. Anything I need to know? I have your papers. Just bring your ID. Josh told me the job is not news to you. Can I just ask one question? Sure. Why did you pick up this job initially? Not sure how to answer that. Okay. I just enjoyed the thrill or the lack of it, I guess. I'm sorry, I just asked this question to everyone joining this line of work, okay? People join looking for a gateway or to discover who they are, only to live without notice. Guess they're better off in a cubicle. To be honest with you, I joined Iron Horse last year, not knowing what to expect, but the solitary life has grown on me. For me, I can't do city life. This is where I belong, and I'm sure I'd adapt just fine at Ironbark. To Ironbark, more likely. Good, I hope you fare better than the last lady. Where can I park my van? Sir, arriving on a Friday. Just park your truck around the back on the gravel park by Gate D, got it? And from there, you will be on foot to take the Gold Creek Trail. From there, it will take you a couple of hours until you reach your tower. Okay, got it, thanks. You'll probably see Billy at the gate. Just show him your ID. Okay, dito tayo kay Kayla Nelson. This new regional manager is such a jerk. Honestly, sometimes I wish I had a job like you. Waking up with the nature, away from people, and just getting paid to watch the wind go by. Wish my job was really that easy, Kay. Oh, so best friend ba natin to or something? I'm honestly done with this job. Pretty sure joining you next season. Like I said, you're always welcome here. Let me know if you need me to talk to Josh. It's definitely the time for change. Speaking of change, Jack Nelson, Ironbark Fire Department, Fire Look. Okay. Black and white pa yung picture. Angas. Maangas. Okay. Ironbark? They're stopping me to Ironbark next month. The one after Roseburg? Yeah, I heard they got a bigger stuff cabins and less campers. Call me. With that, I'll call you back, okay? How's it looking? Still on my way? Van decided to pull a flat tire on me today, out of all days. Isn't it late? If I don't starve to death before arriving, I'll be fine. Did you pass Roseburg yet? No, why? I remember there's this diner while passing Roseburg. They have the best burger in town. You have to try them out. I could you really saw a good meal before the stuffing starts. Thanks, Kay. Oh, haba nun. Consuming! Di na ako sanay sa ganito klaseng ASMR. Please lang. Please just eat, okay? Sarap, nakakagutom. Kakakain ko lang ng gulaman eh. Nagugutom na naman ako, pambihira naman talaga oh. Sige. You know, last two messages. So, did you end up going? How was it? I'm here, still eating. This is so good. Tol, umiinom ka na talaga. Hindi ka na kumakain. Told you. This food reminds me, you should send me the casserole recipe you were talking about. I might get a chance to immerse myself. Papansin talaga to oh. Yeah, did you enjoy the food? Yeah, it was great. Would you like to have anything else or should I get the check? Check please. Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you. Shut up, okay? I might get a chance to immerse myself in the art of cuisine in the new lookout. Wow, yes! I'm on my way home. Send you in a bit. Yeah, sure. Go lang. Wala problema. Sige, lagi naman eh. Sanay na ako sa ganyan. Here's the check. Your total $6. Pay $6 lang po. Dahil inistorbo mo ako habang nagbabasa ko ng text, wala kang ano sa akin. Wala kang bonus sa akin, okay? I'ma go out. I'm just gonna go. Paala kayo dyan. I'm just gonna freaking go to my car and never go back again. I mean van. Yes, pa. Pretty sure sinarado ko to. Nakita niyo naman siguro na Oh, freak. May mag-hitchhike ba? Or something? The bathroom door was strangely jammed. No one here else is here, right? Okay, sure. Yeah, pretty much. I'm just gonna go. Oo. I don't want to think anything else bad or stupid thing. Ewan ko, pero I just need to go, okay? Yun na lang talaga kailangan kong gawin eh. Wala nang iba. I might die, okay? Pero sure thing. Sige, sure. I have a feeling na may nag-hitchhike talaga sa atin dito at sasama siya sa atin. 8:02 PM. Uy, nabot na ako ng alas 8. Sure thing. No problem po, kuya. Gusto mo yan eh. E di sige. No, show me what's gonna happen right now. Like, seriously. I need to know. Kailangan ko I want to include the location of this park. No, no thanks. Okay. But I don't want anyone seeking out the other horrors I've seen in the woods. I've seen in these woods, more likely. Now I get it kung bakit. I mean, naiintindihan kita. Okay? Naiintindihan kita. I understand you. Yeah, park. There you go. Very nice. Get your things. Did I miss anything else? Low? Yeah, pretty much I don't. Mga ano na to eh. Basic necessities na lang sa bahay. So, can you like run a little faster? Like, I'm rushing, okay? Kasi baka mayari pa tayo bigla eh. Kinang-ina mo naman? Relax ka na. Okay. Holy moly, you scared me. I thought you were one of them. Ako? Ako? One of who? Sino? Sino? Ha? Okay, you scared me, yeah. Hey, Lord of mercy. Anyways, can I see your permit, please? Oh, I'm not a copper. I'm the new transfer for our lookout. Is that correct? I didn't know we were hiring season. Hang on, let me check on that. Okay, sure. Tol, may dumaan. Billy, you're gonna do anything? Something? Huh? Okay, pal, you're good to go. You're stopped at Fire Tower 11. I apologize for the confusion. I was under the impression that the tower would be left unstopped for the season, but here are your keys. Take keys. Okay, sure. Shut the freak up, okay? Let me open the trail gate for you. Go lang! And yes, wala akong mic ngayon dahil bumigay na. Okay? So, bear with me. Okay, ganun na lang. Okay, now what the heck is going to happen? Since you're arriving this late, you might also need this flashlight for the long hike to your lookout. Thought I might need one. Yep. You be careful. Take this. Take flashlight. Now welcome to Ironbark, pal. Now for our purposes, when you get to your tower, be sure to check your first weather report from your system, just so we know you clock in safely. If needed be, you can reach out to the tower 12 during your stopping. Your stopping. Nice enough, guy. He'll be your closest contact in case of any emergencies. You have a good day. Day? Gabi na. Pero sige. Bakit? Hey! Just a piece of advice. Don't travel any further than half a mile or so north of your tower. You got it. Bobcats and beers. Nasty business. You got it. Thank you po. I'm just gonna go. I thought he was trying to scare me, but he looked dead serious. Masisisi mo ba naman si Billy kung concerned sila sa pag-aano sa'yo? 11:32 p.m. Okay, sure. It was a long night and it was starting to get cold now. Naglalag ako. Sandali. Pwede na. What is this? Ironbark, Tower 11, 170 feet, lazy trail, 3.2 meters. Gold Creek Trail, okay, sure. Never mind. Just shut. Living in a fire tower is not a glamorous job. I mean, who said it is? Wala naman yata nagsabi. Imagine being out here alone for a week at a time. It's not for everyone. Unless, kung gusto mo talaga maging lonely people or lonely man, ganon, lonely woman, I don't know. But also the fun is for the outdoors. Okay, sure. I ascended the stairs to the top of the flower. Wow. Finally, we can close everything. And just as final my new home for the next few months. Okay, sure. What is this? Let's out at 12. Supply drop every Sunday. No video game, I don't know. The password is Ironbark, tower number. Tower number, yun nga. Ang labo, sorry, naka-low quality ako ha. Wow, sure. Ironbark, tapos tower 11 tayo. First try. Kala nyo ha. Okay, sige, sure. Now what do I need to freaking do in here? Radio Command was sitting on a wooden table. Maybe you can help me here. Ironbark map. So this is Tower 11. This is the gold lake. So dito sa baba nito, more likely dito is this is where our ano mismo. Hindi. Tower 11, pagbaba, ito yung Gold Creek. So if you wanna go or travel, you should be at least okay, sure. Do I need some help or what am I supposed to do? The temperature is 46.8. 46.8. Okay, sure. So the wind 19 knots. Okay, so 46.8 tapos 19 knots. Okay, sure. Tol, umayos ka. Fix yourself. Kano? 6.8, right? Uy, ito na.
New guy, haven't gotten your name yet. What is it
I'm
again?
Jack.
I saw your light turn on. I gotta say, it's refreshing to see Tower 11 alive again.
What's this?
I'm Connor. Fire Tower 12.
Yo, si Connor. Ito na. You're watching?
Isn't that the job? I've had to cover your area until you arrive.
I see.
Anyways, what brings you to this towering paradise of ours?
I'm really tired.
You got a fire going?
No?
Get her lit. The temperature's about to plummet.
You don't want to sit
You
through
don't
the
want to
storm
sit through the
fever.
storm shivering.
Gary, thanks. I'm gonna do it later, pero before that, we got 19 knots. Siguro, for me it's clear kasi normal lang itong mga temperature na to. And we are Jack Nelson, right? Tol, seriously. Number of hikers 0. Ay, sorry, mali. Jack Nelson. Yes, sir. Ayun, set. Submit. Whew. Okay, sure. So, no, maglilit
I don't see the smoke. Did you light it
Ito
up?
na nga eh.
Wood stove should be around the entrance.
Girl, okay, sure. Ito na nga eh. Ay, tol, ito. There's no firewood.
No firewood. There must be plenty in the shack. That's all Marley
Okay,
did.
sure.
Gasoline must be in your cabin. But if not, you can always grab your supplies from the storage.
Okay, sure. Sige. Sabi mo yan eh. So, first I need flashlight just in case. Okay? Para hindi tayo ma-danger. Wow, ma-danger. Ganon. May ganon. Wala kayo bang gagawin. Just keep going. Okay? Keep going. Wala kayo bang gagawin. Just run the heck out, tol. Okay? You're gonna die. If you don't be Okay, sure. So, I can see the fire tower 12 doon. That's very nice and very good. And that's very cool, I guess. So, we're just gonna put this firewood. Wow! Seryoso, naglalag pa ako. There you go. That should do it, right? Right? I need gasoline. There you go. Sapat na ba yun? Hindi pa? Hindi pa din sapat yun? Ayun! O tol, huwag ka namang babonak-bonak dyan.
I see it. I see the smoke.
Yeah, very good.
Nice to see Tower 11 alive again.
Oh.
Did you report for the night yet?
I did! Tapos na! Wait lang. Lapag mo muna magamit mo dyan. Tapos na ako! Nag-report ako kakatapos ko
Did you
lang.
report for the night yet? Very well. Anyways,
At
I think I'm gonna sign off for the
Okay.
day. Tower 12, signing off. You have a good night. New
Thank
guy.
you.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Good night. I'll burn out. There we go. Let's keep it professional and let's keep it that way, okay? So close that and let's sleep. Oh! Okay, sure. 3:26 a.m. That's good. Unintelligible. Okay. Okay. What the heck is happening? Hello? You had to pee? Wait, Connor? Connor, did you what, Connor? What the heck is happening? But you had to pee, di ba? Kailangan natin bumaba? On my first night being out of my cabin gave me a strange feeling. Why? Wait, what? What the... I'm not gonna say anything, okay? Kayo nang bahala kung ano makikita nyo dito. Dang! Sa tower! It's every man's dream, okay? Na magawa yan sa Fire Tower mismo. Ay, sige. Let's just keep it this way. Let's just you and the wind and the time just melts away. Yeah, sure. Grabe. Dang, the birds. Angas na view. This is so cool. Take the photo. Okay, take the photo. Should I do it this way? Wow! Wow, naglalag. Wow, camera lang yan ha. Camera lang yan. Seryoso. Now, this is not just... Ganun na lang.
New guy.
Yes, I copy. Naglalag ako.
Tower 12. You copy?
Yeah, oh, shut up, okay. Manahimik ka nga, Connor, kaya saglit lang, okay? Relax lang.
Tower 11, do you copy?
I'm right here.
Son of a bitch.
Minumura mo ako?
Nobody bothers to get a camping permit these days
Okay.
anymore.
Tapos,
You have eyes on the smoke north of your position.
north of your position. Let me have a look. Hindi ko nakita kanina yun ah. Pero sige, sure. Ah, this one. Okay, sure. Bakit?
I need you to confirm.
Confirm?
Do you see that smoke up north?
I did! Okay. Ba't parang bigla nagsumot yung ano ko?
You spot that white smoke up north?
Yes, I see it.
It appears to be in the Lacey Trail sector, which is not a registered campsite.
Okay.
People like that don't bother to clean up after themselves. Fire risks are high this season. Mind checking it out?
Is it
Be
safe?
alert. Carry your bear spray. You should
Okay, I think na-report back on it.
stay safe out there. Don't forget over and out.
Okay, over and out. Sige, sure. Na-zoom out nga! What the heck is happening? Turn off the freaking radio and just... Tol, what the heck happened? Ano nangyayari? Hopefully naman ngayon mawala tong lag na to. I followed the trail that leads me to the smoke. Surety? I'm not liking this. I'm not freaking liking this. Ayoko na. But I don't have choice. Even naman ayoko, kailangan ko pa rin puntahan to eh. I couldn't just turn around. I have to check on the source of the... Kita nyo na? Tapos, oh my freaking freak. Kayla, chill ka lang ah. Babasahin ko din message mo later pero not now, okay? I have some important job to do. Kailangan ko tong ma-priority kasi otherwise mayayari ako kay boss. Mayayari ako kay Tower 12. There you go. Where the heck did I put my flash? I'm having a bad feeling about this place. Ayoko na. Walang magagawang burst spray dito. Wala talaga. Okay? Wala talaga. Ako nagsasabi sa inyo. I don't wanna do this anymore. Ayoko na. Can we just move on? Ganon? Ayoko na talaga eh. Ayoko na. I'm having a bad feeling. Una, may sumisipol. Pangalawa, may sumigaw. Ano pa? Ano sa tingin mo sa iisipin ko sa ganang sitwasyon? Diba? Wala na maisip kundi delikado. 9:07 PM. As I hiked back to my tower through the dark, I couldn't shake the sense that something was terribly wrong. My mind couldn't help but think what might have happened. Andito na tayo. We're just gonna do what we gotta do, okay? I just have to finish this shits, okay? Kailangan ko lang talaga. Tol, just run and run. Kahit naglalag ka, magtumakbo ka. Huwag kang susuko, okay? Huwag kang susuko. Naka-lower graphics na pala ako, kung di nyo natatanong. Ay, talaga, oh. Yeah. Unlag talaga, seryoso. Connor, do you copy? Hey, Connor, do you copy?
Loud and clear, new guy. I was just cooking myself some hot... Well, first, what's your
Talk
status?
about campsite.
Are you kidding me?
Okay. Why?
Son of a bitch. They never learn, do they? I'm sick of these bastards. It's unbelievable. This is the third time this month alone. Anything else you notice in those woods?
Mention the script?
The scream. Must have been one of those red foxes. They sound pretty much like a screaming lady at
It
night.
was a manly scream.
I don't know what you're talking about, new guy, but I heard from the rangers that a lot of campers have been flocking to that area lately because of the disappearance of those three kids.
Just when kids went missing in that area?
About a month ago, they were hiking with their families. They went off the trail and just vanished.
Uh-huh.
No trace of them since.
Okay, sure.
Well, people have started spreading rumors that the area might be haunted by some entities.
Okay.
It's crazy, I know. You would think these rumors would scare people off, but apparently it's been the opposite. Sometimes, I only wish they were true.
I see, and I understand.
At least now you know why Mitch had to staff Tower 11 urgently.
That's unsettling.
You guy, I hope you don't believe those rumors. Do you?
Oh, absolutely. Yes, I believe.
Anyways, thanks for staying vigilant. I gotta contact the authorities so they can take care of this commotion first thing in the morning. We can't tolerate these goons anymore. If they find them, I'll personally make sure they never set foot in this forest again.
Keep me updated.
Will do. Over and out.
Over and out. Okay, sure. So what are we supposed to do right now? View from my tower and thanks for the recipe. May try tonight. Wait, recipe? You will not believe how easy this one is to throw together. Did you reach yet? Send speaks. Okay, sure. So what do we need? By the way, look what I got home. And pizza pizza, pasta bake, uncooked pasta, marinara sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, diced tomatoes. Instructed. Place all the ingredients in casserole, bake at 420 degree, bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Enjoy. Uncooked pasta, marinara sauce, and pepperoni, mozzarella cheese. Okay, mozzarella cheese. Okay, so pasta, we got the pasta here. Okay. So, kailangan natin ngayon, pepperoni, ito. Marinara, yes, marinara. I think this shape's like a tomato, so yeah, that's it. We also need some cheese, which is... Yeah, I don't think so it's a cheese, pero try na lang natin. And pretty much that's it. Tama ba? Okay, first the pasta, pepperoni, okay? And then, tomato, ay marinara, tapos yung tomato, and then, yung cheese. I can't believe I did that on first try.
You copy?
Yes sir, wait lang. Sandali lang, Connor. Nagluluto ako, ano ba? What is it?
Just reported their ass to the authorities. Don't worry. Forest Service Agency will take care of it first thing in the morning. Hope they can track them down and give them a piece of their mind. We'll keep an eye on things from here. You stay vigilant for such smoke moving forward.
This is duty, okay?
Speaking of duty, I don't see your name here. Did you report for the night yet? Better get to it. Things didn't sound to be in a very good mood
I
today.
got it.
Tell you what, I think I'm gonna hit the sack now. I know it's been a tough day, but you're doing an excellent job up there.
Thank you, Connor. Thank you. Over and out.
Over 12, signing off. Over. and
Over and out. O nga no, magre-report na pala ako. So, 46.1. Tapos, okay, wait lang. So, we got 17 knots. 17 knots and then 46.1. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang, chill. So, 46.1. Ay, siyamay. 46.1. Wind speed natin ay 17. Ang cloud natin ay, ang weather condition natin ay clear. 0. And then, this was reported by Jack Nelson. And no one else. Yung pinakabaguhan. Ano ba? Wind? Cloud? I guess. Wait lang. I'm not good in this kind of weather situation. I see. So, cloud nga. Tama nga ako nang iniisip. Yun, naluto din. Yeah, there you go. I like eating in bed. Go lang, wala problema sa akin. Guys, this is a freaking ASMR, okay? So, good luck. Good luck. Dahil ako sanay ako sa ganito. At ito nakakapagpantok sa akin. Which makes me think na parang inatok na nga ako ngayon at gusto ko nang matulog. Lamon! Dali! I was already full. Ano to? Tulugan na ba? Oras na ba ng tulugan? Are we gonna go night-night na ba? Close that. And then, first, para walang mang stock sa atin, sasarado natin tong mga to. There you go. Close that one, close that one, close that one, close that one. This one, and this one. And this one as well. Yan. Now we're all goods. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. We can just go and hit the sack now. I'm gonna go night-night and we're gonna go sleep na. There you go! I was getting caught. Ay, sorry. Nakalimutan. Sorry na. Ito na. Ang katotohanan na wala na. Okay, wala na. Wala tayong magagawa. There you go. Yan. Lagay mo yan dyan. Seryoso. Nakakainis na eh. Okay, pretty much done. So, we can just sleep now, right? Yes. 2:27 AM. Bakit naman ang aga? What the heck? I was walking by some feeling that caused my eyes. I see someone. Wait. Kunin mo yung burst spray. Wait lang. I was talking about the feeling that cause... Okay, you know what? Tatanggalin ko na salamin ko dahil sobrang zoom in talaga ng mga senaryo at nahihirapan akong ma-avoid yung jumpscare mismo. So, mag-zoom in... Ayun! Nakita ko siya! So that was him. That was him. Okay, sorry. Sorry na, okay? Nakaka-analyze sa ano ko. Okay, sure. Connor, can you respond? Ganon? Tol, this is not the time for the freaking computer, okay? Binabantayan ba ako? Or pinapanood? Tapos na siguro? Why can't I freaking open my... What the heck? Anong dapat kong gawin? Dapat ba i-on ko tong laptop, ay computer, Ironbark 11? Is that it? Ganun ba? Ano bang dapat kong gawin? Tol, seriously, this is not the time for the freaking computer. Oh. There's something that bothers me right now. I didn't know what to make of it at the moment. The only logical thing I could think of was to contact Connor. Kanina ko pa ginagawa. Wake up! I need to talk to you, Sergeant. You there?
You have any idea what time it is?
Something outside my door.
Late until morning?
Mention the Scott.
Tell you what, new guy. It's probably best to ignore these kids messing around. I suspect that's what Marley got tired of.
I don't think these are kids messing around.
These kids can be pretty creative with these pranks. They watch too many horror movies. Maybe they thought it would be funny.
This feels like some real rituals.
Not get carried away, new guy.
Okay?
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Exactly!
Here's what we'll do. I'll send someone to check in on you tomorrow.
Siguraduhin mo lang
Just lock your door, take a deep breath, and try to get some rest. We can't do much in the dark. It'll be morning before you know it.
Sana nga.
Try to get some sleep, Jack.
Shut up. Tama na tayo sa burnout mo na yan. I'm just gonna... I don't know what to think of it. Hindi ko na alam yung isipin ko. Like, next day I woke up not being so sure if last night was real or just a dream. Connor tried to reason it as a harmless prank by some kids. But there's something about that night that just felt darker. There's something strange happening in those woods. 8:34 p.m. Is this another night or something? Clean? Okay, sure. So we're gonna clean the lens? Yeah, sure. Sige. Bakit? Ano bang gusto mong iparating? What are you trying to say? Na may mali dito or something? Flare yun ah! My paranoia for this was only grow last night, which led me to be extra vigilant moving forward. I'm pretty sure that's a flare, right? And that's the north of our mismo position. O nasaan yung Golden Trail Lake? Golden Tracy pala, I mean. Right? I'm pretty sure it is. And that's where mismo.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Yes?
I need help. Please, someone answer.
Okay, sure. Wait lang. I'm here. Okay, to the rescue.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
This is Jack, Tower 11.
Ah, thank goodness. I'm lost, and I'm really starting to freak out.
Take a deep breath. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what's the situation?
I don't even know where to start. I went out to explore the area and lost track of time, and now it's dark, and I can't remember the trail back to my truck.
Okay.
I think I'm lost.
Can you describe, what is your current location?
I'm in the middle of the woods, on this trail surrounded by trees. Everything looks different at night. I thought shooting a few flare gun shots might get someone's attention, but no one's come yet. All it did was light up the trees and make everything look even scarier. I just want to find a way out of here.
What direction are you facing right now?
I'm walking towards west right now, because I remember walking east when I came here.
Do you remember any landmarks?
I remember passing a small stream earlier.
Okay.
Oh, thank goodness. I see it.
See what?
I'm at a trail intersection now, but I can't remember if I should take the right trail or the left to get back to the trailhead. Can you help me?
So sabi niya nasa west siya ngayon. Which is kung ang north natin, wait lang. So this is our north. Wait. Ang north natin kasi is Lazy Trail. In order to progress, ang kailangan niyang gawin, kasi sa tingin ko nandito siya sa dito siya banda eh. Feeling ko.
Hello? Are both of these... I'm just
Relax,
so
okay?
anxious about making a mistake and going further away from the road. Please help.
Okay, sure. Ito na nga eh. Wait lang. Because I'm pretty sure na nandito siya. Okay? I mean, dito tayo pumunta kanina. So, it's possibly na nandito or dito. Dito mismo. So, take right. Right. Take the right decision. Tol, ano ba? Mais ka.
I'm at a trail
Right.
intersection now, but
Right,
I can't remember
right.
if I'm going to be honest. I had my suspicions on the left trail, but if you say so, right one it is. I couldn't have trusted myself with this decision. Thanks for helping me through this.
You're welcome. Hope you reach back to your trail safely. Okay, sure.
I'm right here.
What do you mean?
I hear you.
That's not me.
I hear your whistles.
Napunta siya sa kanina. I'm in Meta right now.
What? I see you behind the trees to my right.
Pero nasa tamang direction siya. Napunta lang siya dun sa may... I think ang nilabasan niya dun sa may pot na binigay natin. Yung dun sa pinunta natin kanina, yung may smoke. Which nasa tamang direction siya, pero hindi ko alam kung matutuloy-tuloy niya payo. Oh, freaking freak. That's not me.
You're freaking me out.
Okay, sure. Pero, we give him the right direction. Let's just hope na... Holy moly, what took you so long in there? I've been knocking for hours. I was asked to check in on you. What were you up to, pal? I was assisting a lost hiker. At this hour? Hey, Lord. May the Lord be merciful. Here you go. I feel like I'm going to pass out if I keep holding this for one more second. Take supplies. Thank you. Okay. What were you doing there last night? What do you mean? Up north, why were you there? I won't screw around over there, pal. I was required to investigate on a camp for smoke. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Nasty business up there, pal. Bobcats and beers. I know. You be careful out there, pal. These worlds aren't normal, and there's stuff out there that would love to get a piece of you. Okay, sure. Not to mention, you'd quite a distance from help if anything happened. I got enough to keep me occupied here. Absolutely, it's a busy job. I've been hearing you've been a bit on the edge. Everything alright? Mention the skull. Did you take a photo of it before cleaning it up? No. You know, it's the best we don't dwell on this thing, pal. Besides, we can't do anything without the evidence. Anyways, it's getting late. I better get going now. Just keep watch. Okay. Thank you. So, maybe I'm just gonna drop it here. At tanong kung, kamusta na kayo na-assist natin? Ayun lang, wala na. Pero naglalag pa ako. So, report. Okay, I need to report. Service reporting. So, wait, nakalimutan ko na naman yung ano ko eh. Alam ko na sa 56.8, I guess. Temp, 58.5 pala. Sorry. So, it was 58.5. Okay. Wind speed natin, 27. I think cloud pa din yan. Number, hiker assisted, 1. 9. Wait lang. This feels like na ako talaga yung nagtatrabaho eh. Sandali lang ah. Something didn't look right. I think it was clear? Or no? Wind, I guess? Ano ba? Miss? I don't know. Heat waves? What? Ano ba? Hindi ko magets. Hindi ko maintindihan. The storm? Wait lang ah. Syempre, definitely hindi thunderstorm yan. Cloud? Wait lang. Maybe ang mali ko talaga is hindi yung ano eh. I have a feeling dito ako nagkamali. Pero sure ako 27 yun eh. 24. Bayan, sorry. Short-term memory attack. Okay. 24 pala. Sige. Sure. Wait lang ha. 24. There you go. Tapos cloud. There you go. I think it was miss or what? Clear? I think or no, it's cloud talaga eh. I'm sure if I put the right weather condition. Yup. Miss. If not, then clear. Ano ba? Wind? Okay. Sabi ko nga, wind nga. I think we can go to sleep naman eh. Pretty much. Well, hopefully by now we can eat. Okay, hopefully. There you go. I think we can just go to sleep and sleep tuloy. The food was cold. I knew it, papainitin natin. Okay, sure. Sige, sabi mo eh. Go make it hot. For now, I'm just gonna sit here and maybe wait for the response. Hopefully, okay lang yung lalaking yun. Hopefully, okay? Hopefully. Sana. Sana nga. Kasi feeling ko patay na yun ngayon eh. Well, let's see na lang. I'm sure, shut up. I like eating in bed. Go ahead and eat. Yeah, I don't, hindi talaga ako sanay sa katong ASMR, pero kailangan masanay eh. Hey, this is part of the game eh. And I have a feeling there's more. Okay, go ahead, the last pieces, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. There you go. Tol, are you gonna stand up or no? Or what? Space okay, I was done with it. Yes, I know. Hindi ako tanga. I wasn't born yesterday, ganon. Let me close all of this as well. Hopefully by this time wala nang umano-ano ng ganon, no? Sana wala na magbibiro ng ganon kasi that's not a good joke for me, okay? And hopefully you understand that. Dahil trauma na ako eh. Ayoko ni. No, ayoko na. I don't wanna get to this shemay na problem. Okay. Nanap. You just gave me a heart attack, you know? I understand loneliness can make the mind play tricks on you. What's your name? Names can be deceiving. Call me Silas. Hold on. Kilala kita. Natatandaan niyo yung sa may, kanina, sa diner? That's the guy na nasa harapan ko. What are you doing here? No need to be alarmed. I'm a worker. I was just doing some routine maintenance on the radio tower over there. Thought I said hi to the new guy everyone's been talking about. Nice to meet you. Do you usually work this late? Every Sunday, just traveling to keep the communication lines open. We must ensure that the right message reach the right places. Wouldn't you agree? I agree. Fires are high this season. Absolutely, but some fires are meant to burn, and no amount of prevention can stop them. Nature has its own plans. Some things can't be controlled, no matter how hard we try. And sometimes disasters are just another form of cleansing, a way for the land to purify itself. I should have a good night, Jack. Hope you sleep well, but remember what? Curiosity can lead to places you'd rather not go. Okay, farewell, Jack. Okay, you're so weird. The guy gave me out of the creepiest vibes. Totoo. Okay? We just gotta relax. We can do this. We can handle this one. Like always, di ba? We are always handling things like this very well. And we are not that kind of bad things sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. Sanay na tayo, in short, okay? Drop. Tapos, posporo. Tapon. Drop. Linis. Patay ilaw.
I see the smoke coming out of your tower. Don't tell me you're not in there.
I'm here.
New guy. You there?
Yes, I'm here, okay? I'm here. Sorry, pero teka na lang.
Copy now.
Alright, dear.
Finally. I've been trying to reach you for a while now. It doesn't exactly take ages to get just some fireworks.
Run into the radio tower worker. Oh.
Ran into who?
The guy maintaining the nearby radio tower. Bakit?
Is this about yesterday?
What?
You trying to yank my chain now?
No.
The radio tower's been out of service for ages now. It was closed down years ago after a lightning strike fried its systems. Its repair date was
Really now?
postponed until the next big funding, which is no time soon.
Then who did I just talk to?
Look, if what you're saying is true, it could be another one of those goons playing pranks on
He knew my name.
you. Knew your name. You think he's been listening?
Possibly.
Either way, disguising as a staff member is strictly forbidden according to park guidelines. Next time you see him, get his information or take a photo. We need to figure this
I got this.
Anyways, I'm seeing that you've already reported. I think I'm gonna hit the sack.
Yeah, me too.
Tower 12, signing off. Over and out.
Over and out. I think I can sleep now. I don't know what to expect to that guy. Hindi ko siya kilala at hindi ko alam kung anong purpose at anong reason bakit siya nandun. Pero, you know what? Let's continue the game. My unease was starting to grow with each passing day. Okay? So when I sign up that, I told myself that it was just change of environment that I needed getting too used to. The strangest I'd seen so far in this woods was not enough to cause an alarm yet. However, that will soon change. 2 nights later? Yup, 2 nights later nga. 9:19 p.m. I see. So what are we doing here?
New guy.
Huh?
You got a minute?
Sure.
Well, good news. Just heard from the HQ. They say we've got a new system update on the computer.
Mhm.
They just wanted me to let you know. They say it's an important security update.
I see.
No more snoopers, I guess.
Thanks for letting me know. But how can I update again?
Well, to be honest with you, all this new technology, it's not really my thing. Dare I say it. These computers are probably going to take all our jobs one day. Anyways, for now, use the console to run the new system update.
Console,
Maybe a
okay?
young man like you can figure it out.
Thanks, got it. Gonna run it on console. Okay. Tol, can you please stop lagging like just now, okay? Makisama ka naman, oh. Available command, check for available system update. Check for current version, install system update with each. Okay, so CHK, Potek na yan. Umayos ka. UPD, which is stands for 5047. Let's try that one. Yon! Your system is now up to date. I think yung ano natin to, generator natin to. Heck no. No freaking wait la, okay? Just stop complaining, okay? Yun na lang sasabihin ko sa'yo. There you go. Put that one. Tol, seriously, ha? Seriously. I really had to pay before going back up. Well, lucky you did. The door was up. Time was flying by, okay? Connor generator was under maintenance, which meant I had to cover his area for the past 2 days. When there were no fires going, the only things I do is check on Connor twice a day. That might have been the only time I ever talk, unless I was talking to myself. 2:34 a.m. Okay, sure. Madaling
We got another one.
another one.
I know it's late, but you're gonna want to see this one, Jack.
Okay.
Jack? Jack, I need you to wake up.
Dito na.
Copy?
Ito na, I'm fully awake na. I mean, half awake more likely. Pero, since we need to say vigilant and alert, kailangan natin sabihin na fully awake na ta. Right here, Connor.
Okay, tell you what. I don't have the energy to do this right now. I've been here busting my ass, working on that old piece of garbage generator, and now I'm seeing this.
Alin?
Seeing more smoke to my west. Looks like we got another camper. It appears to be in your sector. See the campsite from your end?
Let me have a look. To solve this case, or to what? Whatever it is. Tol, seriously, hindi ko na alam. Okay, I don't know what to make of it. Only thing that made sense at the time was to take evidence of it. Yes, I know. Take a photo. And nothing else. Sandali. That's the campfire. This is them. Tol, umayos ka. Tol, naglag pa ako. Yari ako sa part na to. Atong part na to, hindi ko matatapos pag naglag pa ako ng dire-diretso. Hey, you know what? I'm not gonna stay in. Sheesh, the freak.
Monday, available pa ba?
Pag wala na yung footstep, tsaka tayo tatakbo. Okay? Pag wala na yung footstep. So ngayon, we need to keep this way. Ganun na lang. I don't know what to think of it. Hindi ko na alam anong gagawin ko sa sitwasyon na to, pero... Ito yung footstep. Ito na yung chance natin, pero tol naman, huwag ka Puwisit talaga, oh. Tol, wag ka na tumingin, huwag ka na tumingin. Putang ina naman talaga, oh. Tol, seryoso, ngayon ka pa maglolo ko? Huwag naman ngayon. Isip talaga. I freaking hate this scenario. Ay, tumakbo ka sa van! Sa van! Sa van! Sa van! Sa van! Takbo! Takbo! Ow! Freaking freak! Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo doon at ako nag-enjoy ako sobra. Grabing takot ko, grabing kaba, napapatahimik na ako sa mga most of the parts. Pero yeah, hopefully naman nag-enjoy pa rin ka sa video na to dahil ako nag-enjoy ako ng sobra. So yun lang, pare tayo dyan, palisin mo, bufa, stay humble,